How to bulk delete clips, images, or audio in CapCut. This is perfect for speeding up your workflow and cleaning up your timeline in seconds. Let's get started. To make everything easier to see, zoom out on your timeline so you can view multiple clips at once. Now, drag your mouse to highlight multiple items at once like this. Select every clip. Now once everything you want to remove is selected, just click on this delete button right here. And that's it. All your clips has been deleted. And that's how you bulk delete in CapCut. Super simple and a real time saver when editing longer projects. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.